Hello guys, welcome to Clueless Insanity. I am Anirudh and I have Amog joining with me today. Hi Amog.
Hi Anirudh. Yes, always a pleasure to be on Clueless Insanity.
Yeah, and today we'll be discussing about Rajasthan Royals. So Rajasthan Royals, people might not consider that to be the team which will start as the favorites, but they are the dark horses in the IPL. So Amog, what do you think about this team? What do you think about the foreigner players in this team?
The four foreigners, um, actually, it was a no-brainer till had they had Stokes and Butler in there.
Yes.
So the issue right now Rajasthan Royals are going to face is without Stokes, their big buy. I mean, it was a really costly buy, and it was probably the most fought player in the auction in a very long time, and it's very well deserved also because you know what type of form Stokes is in. So it's disappointing. I don't know when he'll come. What's the situation? Family issues. So it's kind of disappointing. And Butler not being available is also a big blow for RR. So there are two no-brainers. Of course, Steven Smith being a captain and Jofra Archer. So these two are your match winners as it is. So Steven Smith and Jofra Archer. Now, um, see, I really don't know. I've not followed much on these Rajasthan Royals like how I followed with RCB, of course. But David Miller, if he's in form, he will get in there immediately. Okay, I'm being all professional and written down the names. So David Miller is in there. Yeah, and now Andrew Ty was another big buy at one point. He was fought for, so but he's not lived up to that name. We'll be really interested to see if Andrew Ty makes it into that composition. So Jofra Archer and Andrew Ty are your foreign bowlers there. Andrew Ty would come in, is what I feel. So it would be um, David Miller and Andrew Ty. Those are my four foreign players.
Yeah, that's a nice choice actually. You have two batsmen and two bowlers there. Jofra Archer can get that bit of pinch hitting as well. And as you told,
Yes.
uh, oh, sorry, as you told, Ben Stokes has been a really disappointing thing for Rajasthan Royal fans, and they would be really hoping that he would join the team very soon. He has gone to New Zealand right now to look after his father. So let's hope that he comes back and just changes this IPL. And regarding the opening combination, what do you think? Who would be your openers for Rajasthan Royals?
Right. So seeing how all the teams have been opting for this left hand right hand combination,
Hmm.
so Sanju Samson will be my opener. I
Okay.
would have had Ryan Parag as my opener as well.
Hmm.
You know, just that he's a right hander and a huge potential. I mean, last year he showed some elements of brilliance in his batting. So really looking forward to see him bat. But since the combination looks like they're all opting for left hand right hand combination, Yashasvi Jaiswal goes in there as an opener.
Okay.
Left hand batsman, another potential big player who
Hmm.
can be like Devdutt Padikkal, like what you saw yesterday. He could just come out there and express himself.
Yeah.
Uh, he could just be that surprise package this year for them. So that would be my opening combination: Sanju Samson and Yashasvi Jaiswal.
So, what do you think about Robin Uthappa? They have bought Uthappa in the auction. So, would you see him as the first choice opener there, and Sanju Samson coming at three, and then Steven Smith?
Right. So I really did give it a thought, but as a team, you would want to go with an experience. Maybe if that is how the captain is thinking, experience over flamboyancy. If that is how the captain is thinking, yes, Robin Uthappa would come in there. But for me, seeing the composition, and I would say Sanju Samson and Yashasvi Jaiswal. Robin Uthappa will have to bench at least for the first match.
So that's an interesting choice over there. And of course, when we have Josh Butler coming back in after his quarantine period, so he would be
Yeah.
the first choice opener over there.
First
So
as opener, yes, no doubt about it.
So, what do you think about this bowling attack? You see, they've kind of brought in lot of foreign picks there, as you mentioned, Andrew Ty and Jofra Archer. They have Noshne Thomas with them, and what do you feel about Jaydev Unadkat? So he's been there with this team for quite a few years now. There's been a lot
Another
of
big buy, yes.
his name has been raiding through the news, but he hasn't been that great with them. Probably this could be his year.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. In fact, the bowling, while you're talking about bowling, I just remembered we have Tom Curran as well.
Yeah,
Um,
that's a
I just
great
went
choice.
with
Yeah.
Andrew Tai because of the fact that he has been a talk for a very long time.
Mm,
But I honestly feel if I'm Steven Smith, seeing what he has done in England right now, he would get an edge over Andrew Tai. But
mm.
for me personally, I would like to see Andrew Tai in there. So that was my pick. But if I'm Steven Smith, Tom Curran would come in there because he can bat as well and he would bowl his four quotas. So bowling, yes, I arguably would say that they have the best bowling attack if they do get in, um, Stokes back in there. So they arguably have one of the best bowling attack with the spin options as well. They have a lot of spin options. They have Shreyas Gopal. They
Yeah,
have uh, you know uh, this Rahul Tiwatia, who's another leggy. So all these people are potential bowlers who can come into
correct.
really the mix of the 11
Mm,
with leggies being controlled. You saw what Yuzvendra Chahal has done. It was a brilliant spell of 4 overs. Like whereas that is what the whole IPL is going to be. It's going to be about what a right arm leg spinner is going to do. A right arm leg spinner is going to like rule over the IPL right now, and we already got a glimpse of it. I think that is going to be the competition. Everyone is going to look at what the spinners are going to do because the second half of the IPL is just going to revolve around what type of spinners you have and how well are they going to bowl those 4 overs.
yeah, that's very true. As you mentioned, they have even young Mayank Markande with them, another right arm leg spinner. So they have plenty of choices there, and Rajasthan would really help from these young spinners with them. Uh, and again, we'll come back to the absence of Ben Stokes here. Would that create a void over there? He has played the finishing role, and Rajasthan had Krishnappa Gautam with them. They traded it off to Kingsland Punjab, so now there's no that player as well. So do you feel somewhere there's a void in that Rajasthan Royals team?
Yes, yes. Uh, I think any cricketer, if you ask any cricketer across the world, they will definitely say it is a huge void. It's almost like an MS Dhoni factor. He is that big a player right now. He can win you a match single-handedly with the ball or with the bat. So that's how with the bat he literally won England the World Cup. So that's how big a player he is, and it's going to be very tough. It's going to be very tough for Rajasthan Royals to fill in that void. It's like filling a void of ABD for RCB.
Correct,
I would
correct.
say that's how equivalent it is. So yeah, it's going to be very tough, but fingers crossed. Hopefully, they can pull off few wins before he comes and joins the team.
Yeah, every Rajasthan Royals fan would hope for that. And lot rates
Yes,
on Steve Smith's captaincy, do you believe?
yes. Actually, I'm a huge Steven Smith fan. People will probably get a little angry if I say that, but yeah, I'm a huge Smith fan. I've been following him for quite a long time now. It was very sad what happened to him, and but you can see how he's bounced back. He's itching to come to the Rajasthan Royals in his interviews. He's been talking very fondly of it. So it's going to be very, very, very interesting to see. I think he's rightful captain there. Nobody really, you know, deserves that position for Rajasthan Royals like the way Smith deserves it. So it's going to be very interesting. I would like to see how he's going to handle his men.
Yeah, so there's a lot of young players in Rajasthan Royals, and under Steve Smith's guidance, it would be great for the Indian young talent as well. Someone like even Manan Ohra, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Riyan Parag, a lot of them. So hope this Rajasthan Royal team does create wonders in this IPL and give us great entertainment. Thank you, Amu,
Absolutely.
for joining. It was really wonderful for your sharing your thoughts.
Thank you, Raz.
Yeah.
The feelings are mutual.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching this. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also, you can see the previous videos of the Let's Talk series in the description below. Thank you.
Thank you.